Hello everyone, welcome back. So in our previous video we had already started with our second chapter of civics, that is role of government in health. So in today's video we'll proceed with the other part of the chapter, and we will do only two things for today. One is the story of Hakim Sheikh and another is the story the cost of a cure, right? So underline these important things with whatever is here. So it is a story, okay? So I'm going to tell you the story. So here Hakim Sheikh was a member of the Paschim Banga Mazdoor Samiti, which is an organization of agricultural laborers in West Bengal. So what happened in 1992? This man, he met with an accident where he accidentally fell off a running train, due to which he suffered head injuries. He was in a very serious condition and he needed immediate treatment. So first he was taken to a government hospital in Kolkata, but due to the reason that they did not have an extra bed, he was not admitted. Then he was again taken to another hospital, but there also he was not admitted due to the reason that the hospital did not have the facility of specialized doctors. In this way, he spent 14 hours, 14 hours in a critical state and was taken to 8 different government hospitals, but none of those hospitals admitted him. At last, he was admitted in a private hospital where he spent a lot of money on his treatment. Hakim Sheikh and PBKMS, that is the name of the organization, they filed a case in the court over the indifferent attitude of all hospitals that refused to admit him. Right? So did you understand the story? It is very simple. A person named Hakim Sheikh fell from a train. He got severe injuries. Then he was taken to first hospital in Kolkata. They said that they cannot admit him because they don't have a bed. ठीक है, separate, they don't have extra bed. Then he was taken to another hospital. They said sorry, we cannot admit him because we don't have specialized doctors. In this way he was taken to 8 other government hospitals and none of those hospitals admitted him. Finally, when he was taken to a private hospital, they admitted him, they cured him, they treated him, but the expenditure was high. Okay, and when after the treatment, this man Hakim Sheikh and his organization, they filed a case in the court due to one reason, and the reason was that indifferent attitude of all the hospitals. That means all those hospitals, all those government hospitals who did not admit him during that emergency, during that critical situation. So he filed a case in the court. Okay, so here on page 21 you will see there is a question written, read the story above, then imagine that you are a judge in the court. What would you say to Hakim Sheikh? So the answer I have written here. The question is asking you that suppose you are a judge, okay, and this case has come to you. So how would you deal with this Hakim Sheikh? What would you say to him? Okay, so the answer is here. The court said that the difficulty that Hakim Sheikh has to face could have cost him his life. Definitely, if he would have not found this private hospital, he would have died, right? So if a hospital cannot provide timely medical treatment to a person, it means that the protection of life is not being given. The court also said that if it was the duty of the government to provide necessary health services, including treatment in emergency situations, hospitals and medical staff must fulfill their duty of providing essential treatment. As various government hospitals refused to admit him, the state government was asked to give him the money that he had spent on his treatment. So whatever cost was incurred by Hakim Sheikh in private hospital, that amount was given by state government to him. So write this answer in your own way, right? Be the judge and write that I would. Just use the word I and just create a beautiful answer using these points. Okay, use these points and write a beautiful answer. Okay, with good points. Now we will go to another part of the story, that is the cost of a cure. So it is a 2-page story. It is basically about two friends, one Aman and another Ranjan. One went to a private hospital and another had gone to government hospital. Now they are both sharing their experience of their hospitals with each other. So let's start with the story. So it is a story of two friends, Aman and Ranjan. Ranjan comes from a well-to-do family, that means he comes from a rich family, while Aman's parents have to struggle to make ends meet. So basically what happened, the story tells us that these two friends were suffering from fever. And on the day when they met in school, they shared their experiences. First, Ranjan said that the hospital in which he had gone for treatment was like a 5-star hotel. His father deposited rupees 500 at the reception to meet the doctor. Nice music was playing. The doctor asked him for many tests, but everyone was friendly. After the test was done, the doctor told him that he had only viral fever and prescribed some medicines and rest to him. When asked by Ranjan to his friend Aman, okay, friend, you tell me what is your experience. So what did Aman say? He said that his hospital was not like his hospital. That means his hospital, Aman's hospital, was not like Ranjan's hospital. It was not like his hospital. It was a big government hospital. They had to wait in a long queue. Queue means line. He was feeling so sick that he had to lean on his Abba. Abba means his father. He had to lean on his father. He had to lean on his father all the time. He said when his turn came, the doctor examined him and asked for a blood test. Only one test, that was a blood test. There also he had to stand in a long queue. He got the blood test report after 3 days, and when they went back to the hospital, there was a different doctor that day. The doctor said that he is suffering from a viral fever and gave him just one fever reducing medicine. One test, that was a blood test, and one fever reducing medicine. So after listening to Aman's story, Ranjan said that his hospital was nice, but they gave him many medicines and the cost of his treatment was more. So from this story, what do we learn? We learned that Aman's hospital was government hospital and Ranjan's hospital was a private hospital, and the cost incurred in both of their treatment varied, because in Ranjan's treatment it was expensive and in Aman's treatment it was not that expensive. Okay, so this is the story, and when you will read the story you will know about more points. That means the test in a private hospital where so many tests were there, in government hospital just one test, right? The facilities, the behavior, everything is different from each other's hospital, right? So for today these two things are done, two stories are done. So revise these for today, then we will proceed with other parts of the story of the chapter in our next video. Till then, study hard and stay safe. Thank you.